Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be reading you comments from my Patreon video entitled, I've got so many comments here, hold on, That Messy Room. And so I had quite a few comments. I'm going to read some to you today so you get an idea of how people feel about the Patreon videos. The first one I'm reading is from Izzy. She says, I love the visual aid. I used a visual aid. Yummy. It was a piece of fruit. I really need to refile my stacks and stacks of books at the foot of my bed today. They spilled into the dining room and I was sharing them and never put them back. As I was sharing them and never put them back. Clutter check. Other than that, my home is looking adorable. Thanks for your mentoring. Crystal said, that was so helpful and exactly what I needed. Thanks, Kat. You are a blessing. Eva B said, yes, this is the way I have to look at my messy room. It's just a little piece of fruit. Thank you. Really love this metaphor. XX. Lauren and Scottsdale said, it's all trash. You are looking for treasure. Those are in quotes. This part gets easier with practice, but still strings me up. A few days ago, the topic was old magazines, and I had a small stack of fancy, foreign, and architectural ones. Never read a single one. Thought I would use them for creative inspiration. Never did. Kat told me that if I didn't read them, they were trash, so I very reluctantly fed one to the shredder. Suddenly, the way forward was obvious. I can now put something I do use on that shelf. Good for you, Lauren. Becky Stoneman said, thanks for that cleverly insightful object lesson. That really makes so much sense to me. I am really trying to break things down into small sections. After 8 months of concerted effort, the progress I've made is now evident, if not complete. Even my adult children and my mother have told me they are proud of me. See, she said 8 months. It takes time. Anita Marie Disney said, what a great way to think. Thank you. Kristen Elliott said, love it. Look at it like it is all trash and you are looking for treasure. Those are in quotes. Thanks, Kat. You're welcome, Kristen. RC says, love that analogy. I think it'll help me reframe my thinking about my office room, which I've been avoiding for quite some time. P.S. She said, my initials are RC. She's Randy. Patricia said, I would share this one on YouTube, a great video to show your process, as well as highlighting what wonderful videos you have on Patreon. Patricia, I won't be sharing my Patreon videos on YouTube, but it was a great idea. If you're interested in watching our videos on Patreon, please come over. It's just $5 a month. There are more than enough things for you to really focus on when you get over here. It's more advanced FlyLady training, and this is also the place where you can get FlyLady mentoring when you're good and ready. All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.